All right, thanks for tuning in, everyone. This is Anthony Smoak. As always, if you learned something, go ahead, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure you ring the bell so you get a notification when I drop a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram at Anthony Smoak Data. So today we are back in Tableau Public to be specific, but Tableau Public has a new feature that makes creating Sankey charts easier than ever before, but only for a limited time. So these charts can be authored and published natively to your Tableau Public profile. And we're going to test it out here today. So what's a Sankey chart? You can see we've got some Sankey charts here. I just did a search out here on Tableau Public, and they're perfect for showing the flow of data, such as the movement of goods, energy, or even money, right, for that matter. You can easily compare different data points quickly and identify patterns that might not be apparent with traditional charts or tables. Now, historically, this type of chart in Tableau has been very time-consuming to create. I know some people have some templates that simplify the process, but it's not difficult anymore, at least for a limited time. So we are going to utilize this new functionality in Tableau Public. It's in a beta to create a Sankey chart. Okay, so if you have a Tableau Public profile, which I do, this is my Tableau Public profile. There's two ways to author the Sankey chart here to start the process. So I'm going to shout myself out. Check out this video, Coffee Shop Advanced Table. You can check this out. Really cool technique. Shout out to Sam Parsons. Shout out to Zainab for that technique. But check out this viz and check out this video. So we can do one of two things. We can go create web authoring, or I can just create a viz from my Tableau Public page. I'm just going to do that here. Once I create the viz, I'm going to come to this connect to data area. And obviously I'm going to upload from computer. When I select upload from computer, I'm going to select my file here. It's going to upload sample superstore. And once I see that my data is all in here, let's go ahead and select Sankey, as you can see here. And then you'll notice this level and this link shows up. So I'm going to grab something like a segment and put that on the level. And I'm going to grab, let's say, region, and also put that on the level. And you see I've got these connections. But what I want to use is my measure. So from a measure standpoint, let's go ahead and throw sales on this link. And you'll notice, right, here's the Sankey. How hard was that, right? I've got consumer. All of this adds up to 100%. All of this adds up to 100%. But I can see that flow between consumer and each of the regions here. And, we can experiment with the width if you want to, make that wider, make that skinnier. And then the padding, I kind of like the padding here maxed out. Your mileage may vary, right? But we can keep the party going with another level. So, I'm just going to grab, let's go ship status, throw that in there. And then you'll see I get the sub level here. So now, all of this gets kind of cramped here. I'm going to turn that up. Well, we can keep it on and just say, uncheck allow labels to overlap. It looks a little cleaner here, but you can see I can kind of follow the flow, here from consumer. This goes into this central region and out to an early shipped status. So very cool feature here. This is the type of product innovation that needs to be added to the core desktop product, right? So my advice, focus more on the general analytics audience, focus on people like me and you, and continue to make Tableau such a great product to use with world-class visuals. So that's my advice to Team Tableau, or more so to Salesforce. So as you can see here, Sankey charts are currently available as a pilot. Any viz published using this chart type will revert to the automatic mark type after the pilot period. So in any event, this has been Anthony Smoak. If you learned something, go ahead, hit that like button, leave a comment. And make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification when I drop a new video. As always, get out there, do some great things with your data. Thanks for watching, everyone.